What's up, guys? This is Zach with BitcoinLockup.com, and in today's video we are going to be doing a metal recovery seed backup comparison here between two of the best metal recovery seed backup tools on the market today. On my left here we have the new CRYPTOTAG ZEUS, which is a very brand new and very high quality and also innovative metal recovery seed backup, which I'll get into the details in just a minute. And on my right here we have the Cobo Vault cassette. This is an entry-level device, but don't let the price fool you. It is very high quality and is very, very effective for protecting against any sort of erosion, corrosion, water, fire, any sort of elements that could potentially damage your recovery seed phrase. So before I show you these devices, I'm going to briefly touch on why this device is super important here, and that is when you generate a Bitcoin wallet using the BIP39 protocol, it has you create a 12 to 24 word recovery seed phrase that typically you'll write down on paper that's included in your hardware wallet when you purchase it. It also works with software wallets as well, but it generates in succession 12 to 24 words that you need to keep in case you ever lose your hardware wallet or you lose access to your software wallet, so that you can import it and recover your funds if your device is ever stolen, if it's ever lost, that kind of thing. And so what makes these a groundbreaking innovation for the crypto world are these are completely indestructible metal recovery seed backups, and they have some different metal types, some stronger than others, but ultimately this is here to protect that recovery seed backup, because as you're aware, paper is very finicky. If it gets wet, it's destroyed, it could get shredded, it could get burned, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to explain briefly why these are so important and why you should look at these two models as actually some of the favorite ones that I've used today. So if you want to walk around here, I'm going to show you the first one here, which is the CRYPTOTAG. Now this is a brand new recovery seed device, and this is called the CRYPTOTAG ZEUS. This particular device is really innovative in the sense that it doesn't use a cassette, which is what they are calling the Cobo tablet here, and I'll explain what that is in just a minute. But what they do here is they have a conversion sheet. And what that means is all the BIP39 words are written down in order on GitHub. And what this sheet allows you to do is essentially convert all of your words, starting with the first word, which is abandoned 0001, and it ends on the 2048th word, which is zoo. And these are all recorded online, so you never have to worry about keeping this booklet in case you don't need it. But ultimately what it does on this particular device is it uses these two titanium tablets, and this is designed for a 24 word recovery seed backup, but these are very high quality plates. In fact, titanium is one of the strongest metals on the planet, so this is extremely durable, and it's a kind of a premium, higher level product than the Cobo tablet we're going to look at in just a minute. But ultimately with this device is each word is designated with each particular corresponding number, and you use this particular tool to puncture each letter that you're trying to do. So for instance, if your word is abandoned, which is your first word on the BIP39 sheet 0001, you'll go ahead and just input those numbers and puncture it using this high quality tool here on these devices here. That makes it very secure in a couple of ways. Number one, if someone were to come across these words, they're not going to automatically know what the words are and take your words and potentially import it and steal your funds. They would have to know about the BIP39 protocol, and they would have to know how to work the conversion. So this makes it an extremely secure and an extremely durable device. Like I mentioned, it will support up to a 24-word recovery seed phrase, but I really like the CRYPTOTAG ZEUS, which is the brand new product by CRYPTOTAG, and I'll link down in the description below the full review of this product by itself. But I just wanted to give you kind of a comparison. This is made of titanium, and it's very high quality, meant to withstand even the harshest elements, especially including fire and water. So very interesting. They also include matches for you to burn your recovery seed and conversion sheet once you fill it out, and also earplugs as well, which is kind of a nice touch. So this is a higher end premium product, and it's actually very innovative because it allows you to just simply puncture the corresponding numbers and you can decode it as you need it. So this is the CRYPTOTAG ZEUS. and it retails for $99. With the link in the description below, there is a discount, and you can also, for a limited time, get a free custom engraving, like I did here with my website, bitcoinlockup.com. So go ahead and check that out, as this is one of the higher end and very, very high quality premium devices as well. So that's the CRYPTOTAG ZEUS. On my right here is the Cobo tablet, and this is what's known as a cassette, which is pretty common with the CryptoSteel, the Billfodl, and a lot of other recovery seeds. But what this ultimately does, it serves the same purpose as the CryptoTag, and it allows you to input and slide in your tiles for your 24 recovery seed phrase. And ultimately, you just simply unscrew this here, and then you can slide in the first four letters of every tile, which are included here. And then you can secure it as well and actually put a padlock through it as well to make sure that there are no prying eyes here. So this is an entry-level device, but it's very, very high quality. This is retailing right now for $39, which you can get in the link in the description below. So this is probably the cheapest and also one of the highest quality devices, but I highly recommend getting a recovery seed backup in titanium and metal for when you're ready to protect your recovery seed, which is the backup to your backup. So just wanted to give you kind of a quick overview of these two devices, and if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down in the comments section and I will answer them personally. That's going to be it for today's video on CryptoTag versus the Cobo tablet. Thanks.